I'm going to do question 1, part B. It says the temperature at location in the northern hemisphere depends on the longitude, latitude, and time. I'm going to skip ahead to part B. It says Honolulu has a longitude 158 degrees west, latitude 21 degrees north. Suppose at 9 a.m. January 1st, the wind is blowing hot air to the northeast so that the air to the west and south is warm. So first of all, let's draw a picture here. So we have north, south, east, west. All right, one more time. It says the air to the west and south is warm. So it's warm in the south. It's warm in the west. And then it says the air to the north and east is cooler. Okay, so it's cooler up in the north and the east. Okay, now it talks about the wind is blowing, but let's forget about the wind blowing because we're just interested in that moment in time at exactly 9 a.m. And so yeah, maybe in an hour it's going to be warmer in other places because of the wind, but at this moment in time, this is what's happening. It's warm in the south and west. It's cool in the north and east. Okay, so now back to the question. It says, would you expect FX 158.21.9? So that means at 158 degrees longitude, 21 latitude, 9 o'clock in the morning. So in other words, at that point, we have a point right there. It says Fx, meaning the partial derivative of temperature with respect to x. So if this is the x-axis, because x is longitude, then as we move in this direction, this direction, what's happening to the temperature? And so the temperature is getting warmer as you move towards the west. So Fx is greater than 0 because it's getting warmer as you move in the positive x direction. Okay, Fy. What's happening to Fy? So at this point, when you move in the positive y direction, you're going from warm to cold. So Fy is less than 0. And then it says, the third part, here we have to think about the wind. So Ft at this point in time, would that be positive or negative? So it says here, the wind is blowing hot air to the northeast. So we have hot air is blowing, let me do another color here. So hot air is blowing in this direction, causing this point to warm up. So F as a function of time is positive because at this point, remember, x and y are being held constant when you're looking at the partial derivative with respect to time. So in other words, there's no movement of the place. It's a movement of the temperature. So the temperature is warming up, so therefore, as a function of time. And so F as a function of the partial derivative of temperature as it relates to time is positive.